Welcome back, curious viewers. Today we're diving into the world of luxury real estate and revealing the secrets to successfully selling a luxury home. Whether you're a seasoned real estate agent or simply fascinated by the finer things in life, this video is packed with valuable insights to help you master the art of selling luxury properties. Our first key point is understanding the luxury market. Selling a luxury home requires a deep understanding of your target audience and their unique preferences. Unlike traditional real estate, luxury buyers have specific expectations and desires. They seek exclusivity, top-notch amenities, and exceptional attention to detail. One of the best ways to attract potential buyers is to highlight the luxurious features of the property. From state-of-the-art kitchens to opulent spa-like bathrooms, make sure to showcase these unique selling points. Remember, it's all about creating an emotional connection and painting a vivid picture of the lifestyle they can enjoy. Moving on to our second key point, crafting a compelling story. Luxury homes have a story to tell, and it's your job to bring that story to life. Research the property's history, architectural details, and any unique features. Use this information to create a captivating narrative that captivates potential buyers. Imagine stepping into a home that has hosted celebrities, witnessed historical moments, or boasts breathtaking views. By sharing these stories, you add value and intrigue to the property, making it more than just bricks and mortar. Our third key point revolves around tailored marketing strategies. To sell a luxury home, you need to reach the right audience through targeted marketing channels. Utilize high-quality professional photography and videography to showcase the property's beauty. Leverage social media platforms, luxury publications, and networking events to connect with affluent buyers. It's crucial to have a strong online presence and engage with potential buyers in a meaningful way. Highlight the unique selling points, share behind-the-scenes footage, and invite viewers to explore the property virtually. Remember, luxury buyers value discretion and exclusivity, so it's essential to maintain a sense of privacy throughout the marketing process. Finally, our fourth key point is building a trusted network. Selling luxury homes often involves collaborating with a team of professionals, including interior designers, stagers, and architects. By assembling a network of trusted experts, you can ensure the property is presented in its best light and provide top-notch services to your clients. Additionally, cultivating relationships with other agents who specialize in luxury real estate can expand your reach and open doors to potential buyers. Remember, in the luxury market, connections are everything. So there you have it, 4 key points to help you master the art of selling a luxury home. Understand the luxury market, craft a compelling story, employ tailored marketing strategies, and build a trusted network. Armed with these insights, you'll be well equipped to make an impact in the world of luxury real estate. Are you a real estate agent looking to maximize your online presence and reach more potential clients? Look no further. Our digital marketing services are specifically tailored for real estate professionals like you. With our expertise in the ever-evolving digital landscape, we can help you elevate your brand and attract qualified leads. Don't miss out on the opportunity to connect with a wider audience and increase your sales. Join the digital revolution and unlock the full potential of your real estate business. Visit our website or give us a call now to learn more about our digital marketing services. Remember, success is just a click away.